How to soundproof a room from dog barking. This is the thickness of the system that's required to soundproof dog barking noise. Now I've tested this system on many properties, whether that's the little yapper or the big Alsatian, and noise just doesn't come through this soundproofing system. The amount of layers, the amount of different layers, it stops all those different frequencies of noise coming through. If you want to definitely stop dog barking noise coming through from your neighbour's property into your living room, say, this is a system that you need to install to that separating party wall. However, when noise reaches a certain volume, a certain decibel say, like dog barking, that noise enters the structure of the building. And when it enters the structure of the building, it can transmit across the structure, through the structure, more easily than me and you talking in the garden. So that window wall, yeah, that's right, that window wall, that wall which is perpendicular from the separating party wall, that other wall opposite the window wall which is perpendicular from the separating party wall, that floor and that ceiling, the noise from that dog barking is transmitting through those areas. So we need to sound deaden those areas with at least 50mm, 2 inches of sound insulation to reduce that dog barking noise transmitting down those areas. So how to soundproof a room from dog barking? You need to soundproof all those different areas of your room in order to get a good reduction in noise. The more of those areas that you soundproof, the more of that window wall, the more of the floor, the ceiling and that other wall perpendicular that you soundproof, the less you will hear that dog barking. If you think you've got what it takes to DIY soundproof your own home, then why not take the quiz? Click the link in the bio and take the quiz, and I'll send you a free copy of my book, The Noise Free Home.